Say goodbye to living life on a tight budget and hello to financial freedom. It's time to take control of your finances and start earning extra income. With the power of the internet, you can turn your skills and talents into profits. That's why we're excited to reveal to you 5 foolproof ways to make money online. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for some extra cash, these methods can help you reach your financial dreams. So get ready to transform your life and start earning more money today. Number 1. Selling products. The first way to make money online is by selling products. This can be a great option for those who have a creative side or a passion for entrepreneurship. With the rise of e-commerce platforms, it's never been easier to reach a global audience and start selling your products online. One of the most popular ways to sell products online is through handmade crafts. Etsy, for example, is a platform specifically designed for artists, crafters, and designers to sell their unique and handmade creations. Whether you're into jewelry making, woodworking, or any other form of craftsmanship, Etsy provides a platform for you to reach millions of potential customers. In addition to handmade crafts, you can also sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or software. These products allow you to leverage your expertise and skills to reach a global audience and earn passive income. For example, if you have a background in photography, you could create an ebook on the basics of photography or a course teaching others how to take stunning photos. Another option for selling products online is selling physical goods like clothing and accessories. Websites like Amazon and eBay provide a platform for you to reach millions of potential customers and start selling your products. Whether you want to sell products you've created yourself or resell items you've sourced from other companies, the possibilities are endless. Selling products online is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home. With the rise of e-commerce platforms, it's never been easier to reach a global audience and start earning money through your passion or expertise. Just make sure to do your research and understand the ins and outs of the platform you choose to sell on, including fees and shipping policies. With hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, selling products online can provide a great source of income and help you achieve your financial goals. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online while promoting products you believe in. It works by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be an easy and flexible way to start earning extra income without having to create your own product. To get started with affiliate marketing, the first step is to find products that you believe in and that align with your interests and values. This could be anything from physical products like clothing and electronics to digital products like courses and software. Once you've found a product you want to promote, sign up to be an affiliate and get your unique affiliate link. Next, you'll want to start promoting your affiliate link. This can be done through a variety of channels, including your personal blog or website, social media channels like Facebook and Instagram, and even through email marketing. It's important to find the methods that work best for you and your audience, and to be consistent in your promotion efforts. One key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide valuable content and build trust with your audience. This can be done through writing blog posts, creating videos, or sharing personal experiences and reviews of the products you're promoting. Your audience will appreciate the transparency and honesty and will be more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online by promoting products you believe in. It requires a bit of effort and dedication to find the right products, build an audience, and promote your affiliate link. But with persistence and hard work, it can provide a valuable source of passive income. So if you're looking for a flexible and easy way to start making money online, give affiliate marketing a try. Number 3. Online surveys. Taking online surveys is a simple and convenient way to make money online. By asking for your opinion on products, services, and advertisements, companies are able to gather valuable information and insights, and in turn, pay you for your time. To get started, all you need to do is sign up for a survey platform like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research. These platforms offer a variety of surveys that you can take from the comfort of your own home, on your own schedule. You can earn cash or gift cards for your time and opinions. It's important to note that taking online surveys won't make you rich, but it can provide a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash. To maximize your earnings, it's recommended to sign up for multiple survey platforms and to be consistent in taking surveys. The more surveys you take, the more opportunities you'll have to earn money. In addition, it's important to be honest when taking surveys. Companies rely on your honest opinions and feedback, so be sure to answer all questions truthfully. This will not only help ensure that your surveys are accepted, but it will also help companies improve their products and services. Taking online surveys is a simple and easy way to make money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or just looking for a fun way to pass the time, online surveys can provide an opportunity for you to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So sign up for a survey platform today and start earning money for your opinions. Number 4. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, then online tutoring could be a great way for you to make money online. Online tutoring provides the opportunity to connect with students from all around the world and share your knowledge and skills, all while earning money for your time and expertise. There are many online tutoring platforms available, including Tutor.com, VIPKid, and Chegg. To get started, you'll need to sign up for one of these platforms and create a profile that highlights your skills and expertise. Some platforms may require you to pass an assessment or complete a background check, so be sure to review the requirements before signing up. Once you're set up on the platform, you'll be able to start connecting with students who are looking for help with their studies. You can choose to offer tutoring in a variety of subjects, including math, science, language, and more. You'll be able to set your own rates and schedule, making online tutoring a flexible and convenient way to earn money. It's important to note that online tutoring requires a strong commitment and dedication to teaching. You'll need to be patient, supportive, and knowledgeable in the subject you're tutoring. The better the quality of your tutoring, the more students will be interested in working with you, and the more money you'll be able to earn. Online tutoring is a great way to make money online if you have expertise in a particular subject. With the ability to connect with students from around the world and set your own schedule and rates, online tutoring provides a flexible and convenient way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and skills. So if you're passionate about teaching and have a love for learning, consider becoming an online tutor today. Number 5. Freelance work. If you have a particular skill or talent, you can make money online by offering your services as a freelancer. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose the projects you want to work on. There are many different types of freelance work available, including writing, graphic design, coding, and more. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide a platform for you to connect with clients and start earning money for your skills. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a freelancing platform and create a profile that highlights your skills, experience, and portfolio. This will help potential clients understand what you have to offer and why they should choose to work with you. Once you have a profile, you can start bidding on projects that interest you. Be sure to read the project description carefully and provide a thoughtful and detailed proposal. This will help increase your chances of being selected for the project and earning money. It's important to note that freelancing requires discipline, organization, and strong communication skills. You'll need to be able to manage your time effectively, meet deadlines, and communicate with clients in a professional and respectful manner. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a particular skill or talent. With the ability to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose the projects you want to work on, freelancing provides a flexible and rewarding way to earn money for your skills. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, consider offering your services as a freelancer today. Unlock the door to financial freedom with these 5 tested and true methods for making money online. Don't wait any longer to take control of your finances and start generating additional income. The opportunities are limitless, whether you opt to sell items, participate in affiliate marketing, fill out surveys, educate others, or showcase your talents as a freelancer. So why wait? Start earning now and take the first step towards financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons for more content like this.